You don't actually need an audience to get paid to make videos. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about making money with videos, inspired by the year 2020. There are 5 key ways, and the way I'm going to explain them to you is tell you what they are, and if I've had any personal experience in what they are, I'll explain that as well so that you have insight from a person who experienced something in that area. First one is through sponsored video content. What that implies is that you have an audience on the internet. So maybe you're a nano influencer, a micro influencer, or a macro influencer. As a result of that, brands want to partner up with you so that they can get their products or services in front of your audience because they think that maybe your audience might be interested in what they offer. When I first started, I was actually interested not so much in becoming an influencer, but I wanted to get paid and still travel. I thought it was all about brand sponsorships and working with brands and things like that. While I was in it, I started to learn more and more about business, more and more about production, and that changed a lot of things. That takes me to the next point. Another way to make money with video is to be a videographer. That sounds very obvious, right? Like duh. But the reason I'm including it in this video is because I know a ton of photographers and videographers who don't use the internet to gain clients. When you make visual content like photo and video, the next natural step is to put it on the internet because that's where people are and that's where people can see you. Let's say you're a wedding videographer, but actually you want to work with brands and make commercial videos for products and things like that. What you can do is, you still do your video work over here for weddings, but if you want to attract work like brand work, then you start creating videos for products and build your portfolio on social media, and then you start attracting that back. Now with videography, you definitely have to have the skill of being able to create videos professionally, meaning you know how to film, you know how to edit. You can also still be a videographer whilst you're learning and you're on the way there, but maybe where you might start is the next category, content creator, a video content creator. What's that? That's me. This is also probably one of my favorite methods along with the next method that I'm about to tell you about. Video content creator like me, I'm not really a videographer. I don't have the skills to do high-level complex editing. I don't know how to make cinematic videos. However, I do know how to make videos better than an amateur. Here's the amateur level, here's professional. I can make videos where I'm in front of the camera. I can make videos where products are the subject. I can direct how a video is created, and that in itself is a service. You've got to remember there are so many brands and businesses around the world. So many. So for every level of skill set, there is a potential customer. It's a fact. Now, the key difference between a content creator and an influencer is that you can create content, but not have to put it on your social media platform. You don't actually need an audience to get paid to make videos. If you know how to make videos, you can market yourself as a content creator. The key difference between being a content creator and a videographer, apart from the skill sets, because obviously like content creator skill set might be from here, and at the same level as videographer, but it's not required. But one of the other key differences is that you can work autonomously, whereas videographers may have to contract or subcontract models, actors, hair and makeup artists, and it's more of the big production. Whereas in content creation, it can be a small production or it can be a large production. So that's the difference between a content creator and an influencer, and a content creator and a professional videographer. You kind of sit in the middle. You can start working without that highest level of skill set and without a huge following and still be developing a career path or a side hustle. Then as a natural byproduct of doing the work, you may end up being an influencer, or you might love making videos so much that you end up becoming a videographer. The fourth method is by making digital products. You might want to release an online course which requires video presentation. Not all online courses require you to be on video yourself, but it's such a good skill set to have because people connect most with video content. I'm smiling because I'm like, well, I connect well with podcasters as well. But when you want to teach something, especially if you want to demonstrate something, when you have the skill set of being able to be in front of a camera and create videos, you're also able to connect with whoever's learning from you more. If you make your own digital products, it's pretty much limitless what you can create. Creating digital products, you need the least amount of money to get the most amount of money. They're helpful to the world. They can be really helpful for you. The fifth way to make money through videos is by marketing either your own products or someone else's products. So this is really a mix between method number 3, which is to be a content creator, and then method number 4, which is having your own products to market. Let's say you make your online course, right here. This is your online course, and that required you to make videos. Now, that sounds weird. Let me just do like this. Yeah, that's better. So let's say you've made your online course and that required you to make some videos, and you did it. Basically, you're using your video content creation skills as a means to make money like over here. And you're also saving yourself some money because you're not having to hire other people to make those videos for you. Having the skill of making videos in 2021 and moving forward, it almost equates to a good level of freedom. You're not dependent on anyone else to get your message out there. You're not dependent on anyone else to communicate what you want to say. But at the same time, you have all the flexibility in the world to create what you want when you want. Over 2020, I worked with more brands. I also created my first online course. Funnily enough, the first online course that I created was to help other people create content. If you're just getting started, all you need to do is just keep making the videos and improve your skill sets, whether that's your ability to use the equipment or talking to the camera or scripting your videos. You know, there's all these different categories. But if you just focus on one skill set at a time related to video, oh my goodness, where you start today is far from where you'll finish 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks from now. I hope this is a good video to start off with 2021. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you've already dabbled in video, let me know your thoughts. Are you going to continue? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. See you in the next video.